Alright, what it do? Crystal Dog in this bitch. SSR oil change. You gotta fucking warm it up about like 30 minutes. You don't want to do an oil change. Well, you gotta warm this bitch up. You gotta warm the motherfucking bike up. I rode this motherfucker 30 minutes, half an hour. Not 10, not 20, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. A good half hour. Fuck this, drive this motherfucker for an hour. You don't want it too hot. You don't want it too hot. Cool, now you can fucking hear me. I'm about to do an oil change on this SSR. This is an old ass bike, but I bought this bitch like a month ago. I think it's a 2001. It's badass though. But I see a lot of these fucking oil changes. No one fucking heats up the fucking oil. You're not gonna heat up oil. Oil's gonna be all fucking thick. It's not gonna run all the way down. Now it's hot as hell right now. This is a good ass time to fucking oil change. Oil's gonna be not too hot. It ain't gonna burn me. But hopefully it don't fucking touch me. But I got this brake right here to see if I can put this bitch up on here. And pause it and try to put it on this brake real quick. Alright, sweet. I got it on the fucking brake. Let me move it a little bit. Fuck. We got it better now. Cool, let's do this oil change. Let me go get my oil. Fuck. Since I'm not fucking prepared for no videos, I'm going with my oil. Boom, alright, I got the oil. I fucking bought this 4W40. It's a fucking ATV, UTV oil. Go buy whatever the fuck you want to go buy. But yeah, you do want to get like 10W40, 4-stroke. My bad, that's 4-stroke, folks, 2-stroke. Alright, let's do this oil change. I got my fucking oil thing. And then let me go get the tools. Alright. Only one you really need is this 17-inch Duralast. You gotta get only Duralast because everything else sucks. Just kidding. Alright, got the 17-incher. There's a bowl on the bottom. Then pause this bitch again. Alright, I'm about to change the oil, but I need some assistance. I need to get my camera to Vet. Who's that? Say hello. Say your name. Say hello to the whole world.
Hello.
Say hello, whole world. My name is Yvette Zapata.
I hate my last name.
You hate your last name. Alright. You're gonna help me record, alright? Come here. Stand right there and record the bike while I fix it, alright? Record it right there. Hold it. You see me?
Yeah.
Alright. Where the fuck board is?
I'm still waiting for my surprise.
Alright. Look, record good. Make sure you're recording the bike. You gotta record right there. Don't move, alright?
No. What's wrong with it?
Nothing. Change the oil. Nothing wrong with it. Ah, bitch, I burn myself. You gotta do that all the time. Oh.
Where's the Cindy go?
I don't know.
Whose car is that? Kiki?
Who?
That green one right there.
The owner of the house? And Joseph. Alright, bring me the camera.
Here you go.
Thank you, assistant.
You're welcome.
That wasn't much of assistance, but the right, my friend. Let me see what we got here.